Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I got 2 days worth of Posh sales. Let's see what I sold. All right, let's just get into it. My first item I have is a Charming Johnny Heaven nylon mesh floral tunic. I got that at the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. I'm going to give you all numbers that are my earnings, not what they actually sold for, but what I earned. So this is taking out shipping and taking out fees, and then what am I actually getting paid from Poshmark. So it was $2.05. I paid 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet, so $1.55 are my in-pocket earnings. I'm going to write everything on the board, add it up at the end, and then you'll know what did I earn, actual in-pocket earnings after I pay myself back for 2 days worth of Poshmark sales. This is a bundle. You know how I love my bundles. I make lots of money from it. So I've got these cute multi-strap slide sandals. Then I've got a pair of Paris Eiffel Tower earrings. And then I've got this cute little girl's dress. So this was 50 cents. This was $2. And then this was another $1. So I have $2.50 invested. My earnings were $14.40 minus $2.50 is going to be $14.12. $11.90 is what I'm at. $11.90. If I make a mistake, please let me know in the comment section below, but I'm trying to think on the fly. All right, then I have this hat. It's a men's Hula Dad baseball hat, Goodfellow and Company. I got that out of a liquidation box for $1. I earned $1.05, so a whopping 5 cents is what I earned on that. But I had a bunch of them, and I sold some for more, some for less, so on average it worked out. My next item is a Jillian and O'Malley 38 Double D lace underwire bra, greenish blue. My earnings were $11. I got that for $1 out of a liquidation box, so $10 is my in-pocket earning on that particular item. Then I have a pink Mad Love backpack with interior zipper pockets, a really cute one. That was $2 out of a liquidation box. $9.25 is what I earned, so $7.25 are my in-pocket earnings. And then I've got a hoodie, a really nice Vita men's gray Sherpa line hoodie, 4XL. So it's a charcoal. That was $2 out of a liquidation box. $5.25 is what I earned. So $3.25 are my in-pocket profits. My next item that I have is a leopard animal print Forever 21 sleeveless tank top with a little tie in the front. I got that from the Goodwill outlet. Now this is Goodwill outlet, not Goodwill stores. It's different. 50 cents, $1.25 is what I earned, so 75 cents after I take my 50 cents off. My next item is this really, really super adorable, cute purple backpack. It's a Love Fest drawstring travel backpack. I got this for $2 out of a liquidation box. $7.05 is what I earned, so $5.05 after I pay myself back. Then I've got this really nice Ava and Viv 4X crew necks poly spandex top that I got out of a liquidation box. That one was actually $1.25 out of a liquidation box is my average, and so $7.25 is what I earned on that, so $6 even is my in-pocket earnings. Then I have this really, really gorgeous looking new with tag multicolor scarf, draped scarf out of a liquidation box. That was $1 that I paid out of a liquidation. $8.05 is what I earned, so $7.05 is my in-pocket earnings on that. Just a few more items to go. These were neat. I got a bunch of these, I think, down at the Goodwill outlet. So 25 cents a piece is what they're like, shoe clips, little things you can put on your shoelaces. I got a bunch of different kinds. And so, hold on, my phone decided to freeze for a second. So my shoe clips were, earning-wise, I made $1.25, 25 cents is what I paid for them. So $1 is what I made on those. And I have a bunch of those, and so it's kind of nice. I was able to just make one listing and then sell them all pretty swiftly. Here is Cropped and Borrow XXL quick dry wicking, not quick wick. That came from my own closet. So $9.25 is what I earned. $9.25 is what I get to keep. So yes, I do sell my own clothes on Poshmark. And then I've got this really nice extra large stylish Joseph A. Banks silk tie. For the tall guy, it's extra long. 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet. $4.05 is what I earned. So $3.80 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then I've got this 3XL hooded line jacket right here. That was $2 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 is what I earned, so $1.25 are my in-pocket profits. And then I've got this suit coat here. It's actually a Stacy Adams 56 regular 2-button suit coat. This was given to us actually from someone, and so $3.25 is what I earned. $3.25 is what I get to keep for my in-pocket profits. And then my last item that I've got is a FUBU jacket, 56 regular 2-button black suit, and this was also given to us. So $2.25 is what I earned, so I get to keep it all. $2.25. So I'm going to add all these numbers together and how many orders I have to let you know how much did I earn on 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Okay, I've got everything added up. My total is $73.65 for a total of 16 separate orders that I'll be shipping today. And so I didn't share as much during this time frame, and it definitely was reflected. And I also sold a lot of low dollar items that I've had on there for a while. But 2 days worth of sales, $73, not too shabby. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can earn in 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.